In 1978, muscle cars continued to make their mark despite changing times. The Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, immortalized by its role in Smokey and the Bandit, boasted a 220 horsepower 6.6 V8 engine. The Chevrolet Corvette, with its sleek design, offered a potent 185 horsepower L82 V8. The Dodge Magnum XE, a bold addition to the lineup, featured a 195 horsepower 5.9 V8. Ford's Mustang Cobra II, though smaller in engine size, still delivered with its 140 horsepower V8. Lastly, the Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme 442, a classic name in muscle, showcased a 180 horsepower 5.7 V8. These cars upheld the legacy of American muscle in the late 70s.